Hello my dear students, once again welcome to my channel. So today I am going to discuss about non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. So I have already uploaded one video where terminating decimal and non-terminating but repeating decimal, these two things are discussed. Now let me recall once again about terminating decimal. As students, all of you know that terminating decimal means when I try to convert a fraction in decimal form, and when I am doing the division for that, if my remainder is 0, then whatever the decimal I will get, it will have a countable number of digits in the decimal place, that means on right side of decimal point, and then we say it as terminating decimal. So here this is the example. Suppose 125 by 5 I have to convert to decimal form, or suppose I have to divide 125 by 5. In this division process, all of you can clearly see that 0 comes as remainder. So when I write it in the decimal form, it becomes 25.0. So when 0 I write it here, there is nothing to count, so countable, okay, number of digits in the decimal place, so it is terminating decimal. Now non-terminating means there is no end, but repeating means where digit or digits, more than one digit repeats in the or repeat in the decimal place. How you will get it, okay, when it will happen. So non-terminating kintu repeating ketia hobo. So here I have taken an example, say 1103 by 900. These fractions I have to convert to decimal form, or suppose I have to divide 1103 by 900. In this division sum, you can see that 900 ones are 900, so I write 1, then I have got remainder 203. Let me mark the remainder. All of you observe it. Remainder is 203, not 0. 0 no, 203 remainder. Then I take the help of decimal, so I can write 0 here. Now it becomes now 2030. So 900 into 2 is 1800. So I write here 900 into 2. I write 2 in quotient, and then I write here 1800. My quotient 2 likhilu aru yate 1800 hoy gol. So 2030 minus 1800 is 230. This is my remainder, 230. Okay. First it was 203. Now it is 230. Neither 0 or nor repetition of remainder. Remainder is not 0 or remainder is not repeating also. Remainder mo 0 ho nai, repetition ho nai. So I have to continue. So then again I write here 0, it becomes 2300. 900 into 2 is 1800. 900 into 3 is 2700. It will be more than 2300. So 900 into 2, I write 2 here and I subtract it. Then I have got the remainder 500. Remainder is now 500. Okay, so when the remainder is 500, it is remainder is neither 0 nor repeating. So then I again write 0. Again I do the division. 9 5s are 45. That's why 900 into 5 is 4500. So then what I am getting as remainder, again I am getting 500 as remainder. Again I continue, again I am getting 500 as remainder. So here you see, after a few steps of my division sum, after few steps of this division process, I am getting same number as remainder. Ketaman step korar pisot moi dekha palo je remainder 0 howa nai, kintu same number remainder hisab repeat hoi ase. To sei karone moi dekha palo je yateo same number aru enake ulai goi thakibo. So as I am getting here same number as remainder, so I am getting here same numbers in decimal place. Okay, so then I can write it, this one I can write it as 1.22. You say 5 is repeating, so I put the bar on 5. So this type of decimal is called as non-terminating, because you are not getting 0 as remainder but repeating. Why repeating? Because you are getting same number as remainder. See here in the decimal place I am getting 2 times. It is not called as repetition. Okay, what you are getting in the quotient, it is not important. Important thing is what you are getting in the remainder. So you always focus on the remainder. I am telling you repeatedly. So you always focus on the remainder. If remainder is repeating, then you can say that this is here is repeating. ওকে তো মই চাব লাগিব কি যে ইয়াতে দুটা নাম্বাৰ ৰিপিট হৈছে দুটা ডিজিট ৰিপিট হোৱাৰ লগে লগে মই ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ যে এইটো ৰিপিটেশ্যন হৈছে ৰিপিটেশ্যন হোৱাটো মই কেতিয়া গম পাম যেতিয়া মোৰ ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ ৰিপিট হ'ব ইয়াৰে ৰিপিটটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নহয় ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হৈছে ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ ৰিপিট হৈছে নাই যেতিয়া মই দেখিছোঁ যে 500 ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ ৰিপিট হৈছে তাৰপিছত যি মই কোৱেশ্যন পাই আছোঁ সেইটোহে বা সেইকেইটাহে ৰিপিট হৈ থাকিব তো সেইকাৰণে মই দেখিছোঁ যে 1.225 বাৰ অকল 5টোহে ৰিপিট হৈ থাকিব ঠিক আছে ওকে তো এইখিনি আছিলে আমাৰ টাৰ্মিনেটিং আৰু এইটো আছিলে নন টাৰ্মিনেটিং বাট ৰিপিটিং এতিয়া মই ডিছকাছ কৰিব গৈ আছোঁ কি নন টাৰ্মিনেটিং মানে হুইচ ইজ এণ্ডলেছ এণ্ড নন ৰিপিটিং হুৱেৰ ডিজিটছ আৰ নট নন ৰিপিটিং ওকে মানে মই এতিয়া ডিছকাছ কৰিম যিটো ডিভিজন শেষো নহ'ব যাৰ ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ 0 নাহিব আৰু নন টাৰ্মিনেটিং হ'ব মানে নন ৰিপিটিং হ'ব মানে য'ত ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ ৰিপিটো নহ'ব ওকে চ' ফৰ ডেট let me come to this one. Let me recall one thing, how to find the square root of a number by long division process. I think all of you know that one. Just once again, I want to recall by a simple example. So if you are asked to find out the square root of 625 by long division process, then from your right hand side, you have to form pair of digit. So if I form pair of digits, then this 2 and 5 will form a pair, but 6 cannot form the pair. That means if I had odd number of digits in my given number, then one number will left alone which cannot form the pair. In that case, the single number is considered as a pair. তো মোৰ কি হ'ব যদি মোৰ অড নাম্বাৰ অফ ডিজিটছ থাকে মোৰ গিভেন নাম্বাৰটো যদি অড নাম্বাৰ অফ ডিজিটছ থাকে তেতিয়া কি হ'ব যে মই যেতিয়া ৰাইট সাইডৰ পৰা পেয়াৰ বনাই বনাই আনি থাকিম এটা ডিজিট ৰৈ যাব অকলে ই পেয়াৰ বনাব নোৱাৰিব তেনেকুৱা ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি কি কৰিম যিটো পেয়াৰ বনাব নোৱাৰিব সেই সিঙ্গল ডিজিটটোকে এটা পেয়াৰ বুলি ধৰি লম ওকে তো মোৰ দুটা পেয়াৰ হৈ গ'ল এটা 6 আৰু এটা 25 এতিয়া ডিভিজনটো কেনেকৈ কৰে এটা এটা পেয়াৰক ডিভাইড কৰে মানে মই ফাৰ্স্ট ডিভাইড কৰিব লাগিব 6ক আৰু ডিভিজনটো এনেকৈ হ'ব যে মই যেটো ডিভিজৰ লিখিম হেতুৱে কোশেন্টত লিখিব লাগিব মানে মই যদি ইয়াতে 1 লিখো ইয়াতে 1 লিখিব লাগিব তেতিয়া মোৰ হ'ব 1 1 যা 1 2 লিখিলে 2 ইয়াতো লিখিব লাগিব হ'ব মোৰ 2 2 যা 4 6 তকৈ সৰু হৈ আছে 3 লিখিলে ইয়াতো 3 লিখিব লাগিব হ'ব গৈ 3 3 যা 9 হেতু 6 তকৈ ডাঙৰ হৈ যাব That means whatever I write in divisor, that I need to write in quotient. So if I write 1, then here also I have to write 1. 1 1 is 1, much less than 6. If I write 2, here also I have to write 2. 2 2 is 4, less than 6. If I write 3, it will be 3. 3 3 is 9, more than 6. So it is clear that I have to write here 2. Here also 2. 2 2 is 4. Then I will subtract as the usual division. 6 minus 4 is 2. Next, here also you know that divisor also changes. How divisor changes? First, whatever the divisor was there, you make double of it, twice of it. So it becomes 2 into 2, 4. Then you keep the unit digit blank. Okay, unit digit blank. Unit digit to khali rakhibo lagibo. Now here suppose it is not there. Then you take this pair of digits down. Okay, this pair of digits together will come down. Okay, so now it becomes 225. Again the same process here, whatever the number you are going to put, exactly same number you have to put here. That means if I write 1, here also 1, so it becomes 41 1 ja. So you know that 45 5 ja 225. That's why I write here 5, here also I write 5 and I get 0 as remainder. When 0 comes as remainder, your process finish. Then whatever the quotient you are getting, that is your square root. Okay, যেতিয়া তুমি 0 ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ পালা তোমাৰ প্ৰসেস শেষ হ'ল যেটো কোশেন্ট পাবা হেতুৱে তোমাৰ স্কয়াৰ ৰুট হ'ব তো 625 ৰ স্কয়াৰ ৰুট কিমান আহি গ'ল 25 এতিয়া মই আহিছো এটো এক্সাম্পলৰ কাৰণে let us discuss this example now. Say suppose you are asked to find out square root of 2. Then when you are going to find the square root of 2 again by division process, then as you know that if I take only 2 as a single pair, then 1 1s are 1, remainder will be 1, then no digit will come down. So I take the help of decimal and here I can write infinite number of zeros. Okay, for sake of simplicity I have written here 8 zeros and these 8 zeros will form 4 pairs and 2 alone will form a single pair. মই কি কৰিলোঁ ইয়াতে ডেচিমেলৰ হেল্প ল'লোঁ ডেচিমেল ইউজ কৰাৰ লগে লগে ইয়াতে মই জিৰ' যিমান মন যায় সিমান লিখিব পাৰিম মই চিম্পলিচিটিৰ কাৰণে কিমানটা জিৰ' লিখিছোঁ 8 জিৰ'ছ মই লিখিলোঁ এই 8 জিৰ'ছ লিখাৰ পিছত মই কি কৰিলোঁ পেয়াৰ ফৰ্ম কৰিলোঁ এনেকৈ জিৰ'কেইটাই কি কৰিব 4টা পেয়াৰ ফৰ্ম কৰিব দিছ 8 জিৰ'ছ উইল ফৰ্ম 4 পেয়াৰ্ছ দিছ 8 জিৰ'ছ 4 পেয়াৰ্ছ ফৰ্ম কৰিব আৰু 2 alone will form a single pair. Now I follow the same process. I divide 2. So this division and quotient must be same. So I write here 1. Here also I write 1. Okay, this number same 1 1 is 1. Okay, then 2 minus 1 is 1. I have to make double of this 2 1s are 2. Unit digit blank. Okay, unit digit blank. This pair of 0 will come. Now it becomes 100. So what I should write here? As if I write 1, 21 1s are less than 100. If I write 2, 22 2s are 44 less than 100. So you know that 24 4s are 96. So I write here 4. Here also I write 4. Now it becomes 24 into 4. I write here 96. Okay. Then I subtract. So first time my remainder was 1. Now 100 minus 96. Now remainder is 4. Observe it. Remainder is non-repeating. Remainder repeat hua nai and remainder is not 0 also. Remainder 0 hua nai. Okay. Then I have to make double of this digit. So if I make double of 4, it becomes 8. Already this 2 is there, 28. Unit digit, this digit will be blank. Etu khali thakibo. This pair of 0 will come. So it becomes 400. Now you have to divide 2, 8 and some number. Okay, 2, 8 and some number, the sum digit, it may be 1, 2, 3, whatever. By this you have to divide 400. If I write here 1, 281 into 1, 281. If I write here 2, then it will be 282 into 2, it is 564, more than 400. So I have to write here 1, here also I have to write 1. Okay, then 281 into 1 is 281. I subtract it, my remainder is 119. I am not getting same remainder. I am not getting 0 as remainder. Okay. This pair of 0 will come. Now it becomes 11900, 11,900. I have to make double of this digit. Okay, so it becomes 282. And I have to put something here to do the division. Whatever I put here, exactly I need to put here also. Moi yate ji put korim, yato hetu put koribo lagibo. To moi yate 4 put korisu, yato moi 4 put korilu. Kiyo karone? And 2824 into 4 is 11296. If I put 5 here, then here also I have to put 5. Then it becomes 2825 into 5, which is 14125, more than 11900. Moi yate 4 put korile 11,296 hoy. 5 put korile iman hoy jay. Etu bahut beshi hoy. To moi yate ekane 4 put korilo, yato 4 put korilo, yate etu likhilo. Eibar remainder ki equals 604. This pair of digit will come. Now it becomes 60,400. Okay, so I have to write 2, 8, 2, double of this. Okay, 4 2s are 8, and I have to keep this place alone. That means it is 20,208 into something, 81, 82, 84 in this way. So if I put 2, here also I have to put 2, then it becomes 28282 into 2. What is 28282 into 2? 56564. So I have put here, then I am getting this as a remainder. So I can continue it. Putting more pairs of zeros, I can continue it. My aru 0 di etu moi continue kori thakibo paru. Just let me observe at the remainders. First 1, then 4, then 119, then 604, then 3836. So can you expect that after doing certain steps 0 will come as remainder? Can you expect that yes, we'll get 0 as a remainder after say 100 steps, 200 steps? Can you expect to get 0 as remainder? Tumi bhabibo para nai 0 moi remainder pam boli? Answer is no. Why my answer is no? Because if I see the remainders here, remainders continuously increasing. Remainders 1, 4, 119, 604, 3836. So remainder is continuously increasing. As it is continuously increasing, so I have no chance of getting 0 as remainder. As I have no chance of getting 0 as remainder, that means this decimal will never terminate. This division process will never come to an end. So you will not get টাৰ্মিনেটিং ডেচিমেল তো মই ইয়াতে দেখা পাইছোঁ যে ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰকেইটা ডাঙৰ হৈহে গৈ আছে গতিকে ইয়াৰ 0 হ'ব নোৱাৰিব যেতিয়া 0 হ'ব নোৱাৰে তাৰ মানে ডিভিজন প্ৰচেছটো শেষ নহ'ব মোৰ ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰটো ডেচিমেল প্লেছত নাম্বাৰ অফ ডিজিটটো শেষ নহ'ব সেইটো সেইকাৰণে কি হ'ব নন টাৰ্মিনেটিং হ'ব এতিয়া নন টাৰ্মিনেটিং হোৱাৰ পিছত এইটো ৰিপিটিং হ'ব নেকি yes we come to know that it is non terminating is it repeating so for that let me check again the remainders you see that remainder when I do these steps among these steps you see there is no sign of repetition of the remainder no sign of repetition of the remainder here remainders are non repeating you can do some more steps and then also you will observe that remainders are not repeating তুমি দেখিছা যিকেইটা ষ্টেপ কৰিছোঁ সেইকেইটা ষ্টেপত আমি সেম নাম্বাৰ ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ পোৱা নাই আমি আৰু কেইটামান ষ্টেপ কৰিব পাৰোঁ কৰিলে দেখা পাম যে আমি সেম নাম্বাৰ ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ হিচাপত নাপাওঁ that means after doing these steps or if I do some more steps I have not seen that any number comes again repeats again as remainder so remainder is non repeating as a result you will not get repetition of digits in decimal place that means whenever I try to find the square root of 2 by long division process I have got such a decimal form which is non terminating because remainder never 0 which is non repeating because you will not get repetition of remainder in the division process okay so this is a new form of decimal what is this new form of decimal non terminating means there is no end non terminating no end and non repeating no repetition okay no repetition clear so again let us see this one when your answer was 25.0 that means when it was a terminating decimal actually it is a decimal expansion of 125 by 5 okay it was decimal expansion of 125 by 5 okay and this 125 by 5 is in the form an integer by a non-zero integer that means it is in the form p by q okay and it is in the form p by q means it is a rational number next when it was your answer was 1.225 bar that is when it was non-terminating but repeating decimal then it was actually decimal form of 1103 by 900 which is also in the form of p by q that means this terminating decimal and this non-terminating but repeating decimal they are actually decimal form of p by q that means they are decimal form of rational number so what we can say that terminating and non-terminating but repeating decimal they are rational number then what we can say that non-terminating and non-repeating decimal they are not rational number okay if terminating then rational number if repeating then rational number if non-terminating and non-repeating it is not rational number that means it is what it is not rational okay it is not rational if it is not rational that means what the number which is not rational is called what it is called as the number which is not rational it is called what this is called as irrational so it is irrational number okay so what is the definition of irrational number a number is irrational if the decimal expansion of the number is non-terminating and non-repeating that means when you try to write the decimal form of the number by division process your division will never come to an end that means you will never get 0 as remainder your division is non-terminating that means you will not get same number as remainder okay যেতিয়া তুমি এটা নাম্বাৰৰ ডিভিজন প্ৰচেছ কৰি পেলাই ডেচিমেল ফৰ্ম লিখিব গ'লা তেতিয়া দেখা পালা যে তুমি 0 নোপোৱা কেতিয়াও ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ হিচাপত তুমি 0 নোপোৱা তাৰ মানে টাৰ্মিনেটিং নহল আৰু তুমি সেম নাম্বাৰো ৰিপিট হোৱা দেখা পোৱা নাই তাৰ মানে ৰিপিটিংও নহল তেতিয়াহলে আমি হেতু কম নন টাৰ্মিনেটিং এণ্ড নন ৰিপিটিং যেহেতু টার্মিনেটিং হলে রেশনেল নাম্বার হয় বা রিপিটিং হলেও রেশনেল হয়, এইটো নন টার্মিনেটিং নন রিপিটিং হৈছে মানে নট ৰেচনেল হ'ব, নট ৰেচনেল মানে কি হ'ব, এইটো ইৰেচনেল নাম্বাৰ হ'ব। চ' দিছ ইজ দ্য ডেফিনেশ্যন অফ ইৰেচনেল নাম্বাৰ। অ'কে, চ' we have got 3 types of decimal: terminating, non-terminating but repeating. They are decimal form of a number which is in the form p by q, means rational number. And the third one is non-terminating and non-repeating. So it is not decimal form of rational number, so it is not rational, which is irrational number. Okay, so this much in this video. I think all of you like this, so you repeatedly see the videos, things will be clear to you. Okay, so all of you subscribe and like the channel, okay, to encourage me, and share this among your friends so that your friends also get the chance to learn the things. সকলোৱে লাইক আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি মোক উৎসাহ দিবা, যিমান পাৰে সিমান শ্বেয়াৰ কৰা তোমাৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডৰ মাজত, তোমালোকৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডৰ মাজত, যাতে তেওঁলোকেও ইয়াৰ কণ্টেণ্টছখিনি পাব পাৰে, জানিব পাৰে। অ'কে, চ' থেংক ইউ অল অফ ইউ, ধন্যবাদ, বাই।